Hi guys, this is Vinayak Sharma, and in this session we will discuss the connectors in Power Automate. What are the connectors? Connector is a bridge between the two services. The connector establishes communication between the two services. Whenever we require to communicate to another service, then we need some source, and that source which can establish a proper communication between these services, that is called the connector. Microsoft provides a library of the inbuilt or predefined connectors, and we can divide these connectors into category standard and the premium. The premium connectors, these are available only with the license, but we can use the standard connectors with the free versions. And each and every connector has its own triggers and the actions. Why do we need the connectors? We can check with this diagram. There is a person, that is the A, and that person understands only the English. And the other person, say B, understands Spanish, C person French, and D then German. And now the A person wants to communicate to the B, but the problem is the language, because they do not understand language of each other. So we need some kind of translator, and that translator should be able to understand, say, English and Spanish. And that source or tool, we can say it's a connector, because connector understands the both language, English and Spanish. So through these connectors, this person A and B can communicate to each other in proper way. And the same case with the French and the German. So we need the different connector for the different service or for the different language. Microsoft has the library of the more than 300 connectors. It means we can connect a lot of services, and as you can see the diagram, some popular and commonly used are the Twitter, OneDrive, Facebook, Google Drive, Slack and YouTube. So for each and every service there is a connector. So according to your requirement, you can use that connector to connect your required service. Now we can check the list of some connections which are commonly and generally used. Say Facebook, FTP, then Slack, SMTP, Twitter, YouTube, and say RSS, OneDrive, SharePoint. But this is not a complete list. But generally, these services are commonly used. So guys, this was all about the connectors in the Power Automate. Thanks for watching the video.